50 useful English phrases for hotels.
I have a reservation. I booked a room under the name. Can I check in, please? What time is check-in? What time is check-out? Can I check in early? Can I check out late? Can I see your ID, please? Here is my passport. How many nights will you stay? I will stay for 2 nights. Is breakfast included? What time is breakfast? Where is the restaurant? Is Wi-Fi free? What is the Wi-Fi password? Can I have the room key? Do you have a room available? I would like a single room. I would like a double room. Do you have a room with a view? Is the room non-smoking? Can I change my room? The room is too noisy. The air conditioner is not working. There is no hot water. The TV is not working. Can someone fix this, please? Can I get extra towels? Can I get extra pillows? Can I have a blanket? Can you clean the room, please? What time is housekeeping? Do you offer room service? Can I order room service? Can I see the menu? How long will it take? Can you call me a taxi? Where is the elevator? Where is the gym? Where is the pool? Is there parking available? Is parking free? Can I leave my luggage here? I would like to check out. Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Can I get a receipt? Thank you for your help. I had a great stay.